In case you have x equal to this symbol here is what we call infinity, right? So this guy is infinity. What if the meaning of the infinity is a very large number, so 99999 and so on, that has no end. So if you start multiplying with that amount, what are you going to do? So the way of doing this thing is that you pick the highest power of the x. So what I mean by the highest power of the x here is you can see that the s exponent here is just 1, right? So the highest power of the x here is 1 in this case. So we are going to divide everybody here by what? S, right? So that is the highest power of the information that we are having here. So what I mean by that is that we are going to divide the top here by x, and then you divide everything here. Here is x over s, and then plus or 2 over s. Everybody. So 3 guys are here. This guy, this guy, this guy. We are going to share you by what? The highest powers of what? The x. So if you divide, this guy will cancel that. That will cancel that. That should be 1. And then we are going to get what? 3 over 1 plus 2 divided by what? By x, right? So here we can plug in this guy. So here we are going to have 3 here. Here should be what? 1 there, and then plus 0. So this 0 is coming from the case where we are going to divide. So assuming we are going to divide this 2 by a very large number, that should be 0 point something. So the assumption here is that if you are dividing a small number by a very large number, that should be 0, right? Automatically we are approaching 0. So that is why here tends to be 0. So here we are going to have a 3 over 1. So that's a very simple method. What will happen if you have a dysfunction? So here the person came with infinity, right? So this is if you have x squared plus or 2s divided by s plus 1. So the way of doing is, once again, we are going to divide everybody here. What I mean by the everybody is this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy by the highest power of x. So the highest power of x here is what? S exponent 2. So here everything tends to be what? S squared divided by x squared plus what? 2x divided by what? X squared, right? Can you see divided by x divided by what? S squared plus what? 1 divided by what? S squared. So you do the cancellation. When you have done, then you substitute what the value of what the infinity to do as suggested, solve the first question. So try this and give me your answer in the comment section.